Alright, so here's the measurement after everything is out of it. I don't have a measuring tape, so I'm just using this for reference. I tore it right there where it's at the fender wheel, so I'll measure it when I get around a measuring tape. She is ready to be loaded down with subs. So now we got the Sundown 8s in here, there's 16 of those. And we got the 1018s in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we look from the tear right there and down to where it ends, we'll see it was at 6 1/4 inches. So as you can see, we're not quite halfway there, but it's about 4 o'clock, and we still got a long ways to go. I could get welcome to Florida. What's up, guys? I'm talking to EXO on the phone right now, but I just wanted to pull over and let y'all know that I was coming into Florida. Taking a video of his snorkel coming out the top of his Jeep, and he likes it dirty. It says it on his back glass. Girl, drop it to the floor. I love the way that booty goes. What's up, guys? So as you can see, we're about 100 miles away, and the weather is getting very bad. Look at that. We should drive through nothing but some red stuff.